it afternoon?
Yeah, it's afternoon.
Good afternoon, viewers.
Yes.
This is Senior Farm.
Yes.
Stroke Pentagon.
Yes.
I welcome you all to our farm.
Yes.
We deal in broilers. We bring them when they are still young,
Yes.
like all day chicks,
Mm.
and we sell them at 6 weeks.
Okay. So, Mr. Senior, when
Yes,
did you
Mr.
start? When did you start this project?
I'm new in this project. It's like now like 2 years. We started with the 200 birds,
Yes.
but now we are progressing. We are in 600 birds.
600 birds.
Yes.
That's a big progress.
You can see them. They are very healthy.
So basically, what type of like these chicks? Sometimes most of the people, most of the poultry farmers, some of them do layers, broilers, or mixed, or local chicks. What do you, what are you like specialized here?
I'm specialized in broilers. Yes, only. Yeah, you can see them. I have them in different sizes. Yes.
So what are the plans? The plans ahead for your farm? Because I can see the farm here. It's nice and it still has a space there. So do you have like a future plan for the project here or other things that you want to maybe fix in this program?
No, we are planning to make an expansion of other structures because our goal is to get 1,000 birds.
1,000 birds.
Yes. So we need more structures. Yeah, in the future, you'll be coming here, you'll find other new structures.
Yes.
Yes.
So I would like to know the challenges that you face you as a broiler keeper or a poultry keeper. So what are the challenges that you face during the process before selling them off?
The challenges are very many, like diseases. And this project needs cash. Yes.
Yes.
It's when you run out of food and you don't have money, these birds can stress you when you don't have feeds.
So like approximate, like how many bags of feeds do these chicks feed on before you sell them off at 4 weeks? But you sell them at 4 weeks or 5
At
weeks?
6 weeks.
6 weeks. So how many bags of feeds can they take?
What I want you to know, 100 birds can consume 1 bag of starter. That is 50 kgs.
The starter pack.
Yes.
Yes.
Then these 600 birds, they consume 6 bags of starter.
Yes.
When they're still in the brooder, they eat that starter for 2 weeks.
Yes.
Then we shift them to this place and we start feeding them on chick mash. We mix chick mash with concentrate.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then, during this season, the dry season, I think most of the farmers are crying for water. And is it also a challenge to your farm here?
It's a big challenge. You know, the chicks like drinking water. They drink too much. Yeah, but we have tap here, and we have our drum downstairs. But
So you plan for it a
yeah,
little bit.
yeah.
Yes.
The next time we are planning to get a borehole.
A borehole.
Yeah, to get a permanent water. Because you can't rely on national water.
You cannot.
Hey.
Yes. So me as an inspired person, maybe I want to start poultry farming next year or next month. So what advice can you give me so that I start a successful farm like this?
You first get a prominent farmer to guide you how to keep these birds.
Yes.
Because you can't come from nowhere and you start rearing these broilers.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, they are very delicate.
During in the villages, sometimes you find like a home having their local chicks, and they could not even look after them. They could leave them. They walk in the plantation. So I think it could be possible for me to start.
You can't compare local chicks to broilers.
Okay. What is the difference there?
The difference
between the local and these broilers.
The difference with the local chicks and broilers, local chicks we use free range.
Yes.
But you can't use free range system in broilers. You have to keep them in a place like this.
You got it, guys?
To avoid diseases.
Yeah, that's it. So I think I would like you to take a tour around the farm, and we'll show our people how the house looks like, because people who are watching this video right now, they are inspired about this farm, and most of the viewers would like to know more about your farm, because next time they will come to you to get advice from you. And I will leave the number in this video's description, so that you guys, if you want to maybe get advice about poultry farming, or you want to start anything about poultry, you'll be asking him. So I think you will take me around your farm and show you.
We first start with these big chicks.
Okay.
Those chicks are 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah.
These ones.
Yes.
4 months.
Yeah. They are very healthy. We have like 8 kgs.
8 kgs.
Yeah, we have a weighing scale.
A weighing scale, yeah.
Can you weigh them and see?
Yes.
You do?
No. Maybe you can get one.
You get one.
Yeah. I enter.
You enter. You get the big one. The cock. Is it heavy?
It's heavy.
So we take it on a weighing scale and see the kilograms.
Very heavy, guys.
Let me come and help you.
I will get a stand.
You first hold it to me.
Yes.
You tie it. Leave it.
So it's digital.
It is 4.2.
4.77. Oh, 4.2. Okay, 27. So how much is that? How much is it?
We sell these chicks in kilos. 1 kilogram is 15k.
15k.
Yes.
So which means it is 15 times 4. 60,000
Only. It's very cheap.
Guys, it's cheap.
Everyone can afford it.
Yeah. That's great. So these ones, how many weeks are these ones?
These ones on Tuesday next week.
Yeah.
They'll be making a month.
A month.
Yes.
So which means they are now in
3 weeks. 3 weeks and some days.
But they look clean. Guys, I love the fact that this farm here is very clean. Sometimes you can visit a farm and you find like it's not clean as the way how these poultry houses could be. So I think we should go somewhere else.
So we take a tour outside.
Yeah, we'll take a tour outside. We'll show them around the farm and the outside projects. Wow. As we are taking outside tour around our farm, this is how our Pentagon farm looks like outside. Yeah, this is how it is. It's really nice. So about the house, do you have something that you can tell the people?
We are really farmers. We have planted our banana. We have beans.
Yes.
That is the what I've been telling you about.
The national water.
National water.
Yes.
That's what we use to give our birds.
Yeah. Guys, it's really nice here. So I think, well, so I think the last word to our viewers before we leave the farm here, tell them to support you, because I've told them that you'll be opening a YouTube channel to share every activity that will be carried here around the farm, and they have to learn. So make an update about the YouTube channel, the thing you're going to open it, or maybe in
a few days I will be starting a YouTube channel.
Yes.
I'll be updating you the names I'll be using on YouTube.
Yes, right.
But for now I'm on WhatsApp. Yeah, is it okay to give them my number?
Yeah, you can read it. I will also put it on the screen.
Yeah, 0782
Yes.
829258.
Yeah.
That is on WhatsApp.
Yeah. So your names?
Yeah, called Senya Farm Stroke Pentagon.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Today it's been a pleasure. I have met the owner the owner of Pentagon Poultry Farm. You know, I have been sharing these videos from this farm, and you guys didn't know the owner, but today it's a pleasure. He has appeared on my channel, and please support him. If you need any inquiry about poultry farming or any other activity that is concerned about poultry farming, he will be answerable to you. So that number on the screen, you hit him on WhatsApp, and I will very soon put the link of his YouTube channel in this video's description after he opens it up. So I think I should end out this video. Thank you so much. I wish you well.